In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace how to make your logo bigger. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the editor, how to add or swap your logo, and how to increase its size so it looks clean and professional across desktop and mobile. Start by opening your Squarespace website and entering the editor. Click Edit to switch into editing mode, then open your site header by selecting Edit Site Header. This is where your logo, navigation, and header layout live, and it's the place to make visual changes that affect the top of every page. Inside the header editor, click directly on the logo area that's highlighted on screen. If you don't see a logo yet, that area will still be selectable. Choose Add Logo. When the file picker opens, select from Library to use an image you've already uploaded, or upload it first if needed. Click your logo thumbnail to highlight it, then confirm by choosing Add. Give Squarespace a moment to process the image, and you'll see it appear in the header preview. Now let's make it bigger. Look to the Header Settings panel for the logo size or logo width control. In most templates, this appears as a slider or numeric width field. Drag the slider to the right to increase the size, and watch the live preview update. Go gradually. You want a logo that's strong and legible without pushing your navigation onto a second line. If your template offers separate controls for desktop and mobile, adjust both so the logo looks balanced on each. Use the mobile preview to confirm it doesn't crowd the menu icon or wrap awkwardly. If you see options for layout, spacing, or max width, use them to create breathing room around the logo. A little extra header padding can make a larger logo feel intentional rather than cramped. If you've previously shown a site title next to the logo, decide whether to keep it. Simplifying to logo only often helps when you scale up. A few quick tips as you fine-tune. Use a high-resolution PNG with a transparent background or an SVG for the crispest result. Extremely wide or tall logos may need more modest scaling to preserve balance, so consider uploading a horizontal or stacked variant that fits your header shape. Also, check contrast. If your header background is light, a dark logo will read better at a glance. When you're happy with the size and layout, click Save. Refresh your live site to confirm the changes, and preview on a phone to make sure everything looks clean and consistent. That's it.